It started as a normal engraving, just like any other. About 20 minutes in, something unexpected happened. The machine fell off the table, even though it was stable. Shockingly, the machine kept engraving even after hitting the ground. I had to shut everything down, lift the machine back up, and check the damage. The image was already ruined. I almost stopped, because re-engraving on the same wood usually doesn't work. Once wood is burned, depth and details are nearly impossible to fix. But something pushed me to try again. I placed the laser in the exact same position as before. At first, it failed. The eyes were off. The alignment was wrong. Then something surprising happened. As the engraving continued, the image started fixing itself. Like nothing had ever gone wrong. By the end, the face and eyes were perfect. Zero mistakes. To me, this was a miracle. If you feel the same, comment, like, and share this video.